this tutorial, we're going to measure and calculate the square footage of this driveway and demonstrate Moasure's layers feature by capturing this tree ring within the overall driveway measurement. To ensure accurate layer placement, we're going to choose this long edge as our reference line. We will be using this first line measurement each time we add a new layer. To start, we select Closed Shape from the list of available measurement types. Using the straight line path type, we start our perimeter measurement. We walk at a fast pace along this straight edge, making sure to align the reference point at the end of the Moasure stick housing with each part of the driveway we want to capture. We make sure we place the device down quickly but gently. As we move around the perimeter, we use a mix of path types for measuring. When using the arc path type, we capture a minimum of 3 pause points. This is the starting point, somewhere in the middle, and at the end of our arc shape. You'll see that on our third measurement, the outdrawing will show the best fit arc. We continue to align our reference point while capturing the lines of this driveway, and if trash cans are in the way, we can simply navigate around them. Note how we move quickly, rotate the device gradually, and place down gently without hesitation. To close our measurement, we're using the arc path type to capture the bricks around this hedge. To finish our measurement, we place our Moasure device at the starting point, and once captured, we tap on the red stop icon in the bottom center of the app. We can see that we have a perimeter of 221.9 feet and an area of 1,454 square feet. We're going to save this project before we start adding an additional layer to the base layer measurement by tapping on File, then Save, and then saving to a project folder. To capture the tree ring, we need to add a second layer. Simply tap on the layers icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Add Layer. Our app guides us to place our device at the shared origin. This is the starting point of our first base layer measurement, shown here in black. Gently place the Moasure device down and wait for the measurement to be captured, indicated by the LED light changing from red to green. We're then prompted to capture the second point along the initial edge. It's important to note that the shared origin point must be the same each time, but we have some flexibility with the second point, allowing us to pause slightly ahead or behind along the first edge. These points serve as reference points for all layers, ensuring correct alignment relative to each other. Once the second point is captured, the path type at the bottom of the screen automatically switches to Ignore Line. This path type enables Moasure to track its movement and position without drawing or recording this section of the measurement on the diagram, facilitating accurate positioning of the new layer, the tree ring, relative to the base layer. Now, as we begin our second layer, we switch from the Ignore Line path type to the Circle path type. To measure a circular shape, we capture a minimum of 3 points around the tree ring. Upon completion, tapping on the red stop icon displays the best fit circle that passes through the 3 measured points. Let's now save our second layer. Note that selecting Save will overwrite the existing file. To view our drawing, we can first see in 2D Plan View, which provides a top-down perspective of our driveway, where we can see the perimeter and area square footage. Tap on the 3D cube to see the standard 3D visualization. We can tap on individual pause points which reveal their XYZ coordinates relative to the measurement start point. Note that tapping on points is not limited to 3D views and can be done in both 2D and 3D perspectives. If we tap on the 3D surface icon, we can view the surface mesh represented by a color scale from blue to red. In this scale, full blue indicates the lowest point of the driveway, while full red represents the highest point. Switch back to the standard 3D view where we can tap on a selected edge to view the length, rise and run. And if we want to see the distance between 2 points, we can use the cross-section tool. First, we tap on a selected point as our base point. We then tap on View in the bottom left corner. We scroll across and tap Cross-section and select a second point. Note that you can view your data in both metric and imperial units. We now have the option to export our measurement for sharing with colleagues or clients, as well as for use in other applications. Tap on File, Export, where you can now see a number of formats to export to, including CAD in both DWG and DXF formats. We're going to export it as a PDF document, where we can change the default configuration options to customize the PDF to our liking. We can preview how the configuration options affect the PDF before exporting by tapping on Show Preview at the bottom of the Configure PDF screen. In summary, this tutorial covers the steps for measuring a driveway using the Layers feature and how to review and export the captured information.